The science of black holes, what we know and what we don't. Stars form from massive stars that collapse, with a singularity, event horizon, and accretion disk. They have immense gravitational pull, distort space-time, and emit X-rays in powerful jets. Supermassive black holes exist at the center of most galaxies, and their detection has raised questions about information conservation. Black holes can merge, releasing gravitational waves, and have a finite lifetime due to Hawking radiation. The study of black holes has implications for early universe, dark matter and nature of quantum gravity. The three main components of a massive star that forms a black hole are mass, energy, and time. Their size is determined by mass, and they have immense gravitational pull. Black holes can be detected through their effects on nearby matter. They emit X-rays in powerful jets, and can merge with one another. Black holes have a finite lifetime due to Hawking radiation. The behavior of matter near the event horizon is still poorly understood. The accretion disk is a swirling disk of gas and dust that forms around a black hole, caused by the gravitational attraction of nearby matter. Black holes have an immense gravitational pull that distorts the fabric of space-time, causing time dilation and gravitational lensing effects. Supermassive black holes are thought to exist at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. The exact nature of black hole entropy is still a topic of active research. The extreme conditions near black holes challenge our current understanding of physics. The study of black holes has provided important insights into our understanding of gravity, space-time, and the fundamental laws of physics. It has led to the development of new mathematical frameworks and opened up new avenues for exploring the nature of dark matter and dark energy. The study of black holes has opened up new avenues for exploring the nature of dark matter and dark energy, as they are believed to play a significant role in the formation and behavior of black holes. The future study and understanding of black holes hold the potential to unravel some of the biggest mysteries of the universe.